Hello everyone. Some of you know us from previous EdTech events here. We actually presented it during the summer. We're FastFig, and we call ourselves the word processor for math. So for some of you, that might just turn you off right away. If so, sorry about that. But I hope we get you really excited. So yeah, there it is right there. What we pride ourselves on is making math actually digital. So if you think about it, English teachers, history teachers, everyone's been using computers, online software for a long, long time in the classroom or outside the classroom to teach. We mathematics teachers are still stuck on calculator and pencil. So we don't care if you're a student, educator, or a professional. We have a whole gamut of users. We make it simple to use mathematics on the computer and on your phone, on your tablet, wherever you want. So it's a really simple interface. You can just think of it as Microsoft Word, but simplified. So you can just type using the keyboard, type using our on-screen keyboard, and not only do we solve mathematics, but we also enable you to format things into notes, templates, worksheets, anything like that. So we have all of that online. It's too much for me to explain how to use it in a quick demo like this, so you can just head over to the site. I'll give you the URL at the end. Here's an awesome report that was made using FastFig. You can see actual mathematics right in line. That's typed. No extra coding knowledge needed. And then text was put in, graphs, pictures, everything like that. So here's a picture, for instance. And we decided, it's the holiday party. Let's have a little fun. So why don't we show off our awesome new photo editor, which is very exciting for the team. Maybe not so exciting for us who've been working on it, slaving away on it. So we had all kinds of new stuff in there. We had, all kinds of abilities to edit photos. And what's important about that is making mathematics more interesting than just numbers on a page. Really embracing the Common Core and making it possible for teachers to show how math can be used in the real world. So rather than editing some photo to steal me, I decided to shoot over to our upload in our gallery over here. You can actually use the webcam on your computer to take a picture of yourself, take a picture of mathematics or a graph. Oh, look at that! Photo of Mary Beth. And we did add one extra feature. Don't worry, teachers, this can be turned off if you're using it in the classroom. But it's a lot of fun. You've probably all seen it on Google Hangouts so far, and that is the ability to add stickers. So we glad Mary Beth helped a bit there. But what's most important is that FastFig is finally making mathematics accessible to students that have grown up in the digital world and grow up and use their phone. We work equally well on iPhone, Android, iOS, Windows. It doesn't matter what platform you're on. We're entirely web-based. You can access all of your reports from anywhere in the world, and you can edit them. You can see here's some of the samples from our Getting Started guide. Mathematics actually looks like it should, and you're not using the Microsoft Word style, insert symbol, that kind of stuff. You literally just type 2, parenthesis, space, plus, that kind of stuff, and it actually formats as mathematics. And like I kind of mentioned before, we do have the ability to do some solving. So up there, we can do some error checking. You say 5 plus 5 equals 11. No, that's false. FastFig can tell a student that that's false. I say 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good. That's what we want to do. We can do graphs as well. And this just kind of shows you some of the graphing abilities. And like I said, everything is inside of the browser here. Some slides I want to go faster than 15 seconds. And everything's movable as well. So whether you can just click and drag, it all is just very intuitive. And also this Steve started mentioning over here is our file system. So you can actually build files, go through them as you want. And when you do that, sharing is what kind of is the new thing. Everyone wants to share everything. So we actually finally made it so you can share math. Facebook, you can tweet it, you can just copy a link, throw it in an email, however you want to do it. You can actually share FastFig documents to anyone, whether or not they're using FastFig or not, or they've heard of it or not. They can click on the link just like a Dropbox file, and boom, they have access. Which is kind of one of those features we added in at the last second, and it turned out to be huge hit for users. So we do a number of things to make money because the rest of the site is free. We work with large school districts, college institutions to customize FastFig for them, and we are working on the basic embed, which is going to enable teachers to throw it in their blogs. So head to beta.fastfig.com. We just refreshed it last night. That version you're seeing is actually about a week old. So the beta should be out by the first of the year. So we're very, very excited about that. Thank you, everyone.